Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 2nd May 2024. In this video, we will teach you 13 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. World Tuna Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 2nd May. World Tuna Day is observed globally on 2nd May every year. This day is established by the United Nations, UN, to raise awareness about the importance of tuna fish. Tuna is a significant source of food for humans as the fish has several rich qualities such as omega-3, vitamin B12 proteins and other minerals.
Question number 2. Who will lead Indian team for the 2024 T20 Cricket World Cup?
Answer is Rohit Sharma. The 5-member Senior Mains Cricket Selection Committee, headed by Ajit Agarkar, announced the 15-member Indian squad for the 2024 ICC Mains T20 Cricket World Cup. Indian squad: Rohit Sharma, Captain; Hardik Pandya, Vice Captain; Yashasvi Jaiswal, Virat Kohli, Surya Kumar Yadav, Rishabh Pant, Wicket Keeper; Sanju Samson, Wicket Keeper; Shivam Dube, Ravindra Jadeja, Axar Patel, Kuldeep Yadav, Yuzvendra Chahal, Arshdeep Singh, Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Siraj.
Question number 3. What is the new name of the Fursatganj railway station in Uttar Pradesh?
Answer is Tapeshwarnath Dham. Union Ministry of Home Affairs has approved the change in the names of 8 railway stations in Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. Those 8 stations are: Number 1, Fursatganj railway station has been renamed as Tapeshwarnath Dham. Number 2, Kasimpur Halt has been renamed as Jais City. Number 3, Jais City has been renamed as Guru Gorakhnath Dham. Number 4, Bani has been renamed as Swami Paramahansa. Number 5, Mishroli has been renamed as Ma Kalikan Dham. Number 6, Nihalgarh has been renamed as Maharaja Bijli Pasi. Number 7, Akbarganj has been renamed as Ma Kalikan Dham, and Number 8, Warisganj has been renamed as Amar Shahid Bhale Sultan.
Question number 4. India will train the civil service personnel of which country for the next 5 years?
Answer is Bangladesh. The Government of India has signed an agreement with the Government of Bangladesh to renew the Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, to train 1,500 Bangladeshi officers from 2025 to 2030. India and Bangladesh enjoy good relationships, and MoU was signed between the National Centre for Good Governance, NCGG, India and the Bangladesh Ministry of Public Administration in 2014 to train the Bangladeshi civil servants.
Question number 5. Who has assumed office as the 26th Chief of Naval Staff of the Indian Navy?
Answer is Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Admiral Dinesh Kumar Tripathi assumed office as the 26th Chief of Naval Staff, CNS, on 30th April 2024. Admiral Dinesh Tripathi took the place of Admiral R. Hari Kumar, who demitted his office on 29th April 2024. Admiral Dinesh Kumar Tripathi is an alumnus of Sainik School Rewa, Madhya Pradesh and the National Defence Academy. He was commissioned in the Indian Navy in 1985.
Question number 6. Who has been appointed as the head coach for Test cricket by Pakistan?
Answer is Jason Gillespie. The Pakistan Cricket Board, PCB, announced the appointments of renowned coaches Gary Kirsten and Jason Gillespie as head coaches for One-Day Internationals and T20 Internationals and Test cricket respectively. Additionally, Former Pakistan all-rounder Azhar Mahmood was appointed as the assistant coach across all formats. Gary Kirsten was the coach of the Indian cricket team from 2008 to 2011, going on to win the 2011 Cricket World Cup.
Question number 7. Which famous Bollywood actress has been honored with Pandit Lachu Maharaj Award?
Answer is Hema Malini. Noted Hindi film superstars Hema Malini and Saira Banu as well as other prominent personalities from the fields of art and culture will be honored with the prestigious Pandit Lachu Maharaj Award. The Lachu Maharaj Award, instituted in memory of the famous Kathak exponent Lachu Maharaj, was not given after 2014. Thus, the Pandit Lachu Maharaj Ballet Foundation has decided to honor 10 personalities this year. The award will be given on 31st August 2024.
Question number 8. In which state do migrants have voted in the Lok Sabha elections for the first time?
Answer is Tripura. Bru migrants who have resettled in Tripura voted for the Lok Sabha elections in the northeastern state for the first time since their permanent resettlement. They had previously participated in the 2023 assembly elections in Tripura. Over 32,000 Bru migrants, also called the Riang, fled Mizoram to the bordering state of Tripura nearly in the wake of ethnic clashes with the majority Mizo tribe and came to Tripura in 1997.
Question number 9. Where was the Indian Air Force's first investiture ceremony held?
Answer is New Delhi. The Indian Air Force organized an Air Force investiture ceremony at the National War Memorial Complex in New Delhi. Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary conferred presidential awards to 51 Indian Air Force warriors in the event. These awards included 3 Yudh Seva Medal, 7 Vayu Sena Medal, Gallantry, 13 Vayu Sena Medal and 28 Vishisht Seva Medal.
Question number 10. Recently, which country lifted the ban on the import of vehicles?
Answer is Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan government has decided to lift the ban on imports of trucks and heavy vehicles, marking the first rollback of such restrictions since March 2020. While heavy vehicles like buses, trucks, and tankers are now eligible for import, restrictions on passenger vehicles, including cars, remain intact. The decision, outlined in a Gazette notification, signifies a shift towards economic recovery under President Ranil Wickremesinghe's leadership.
Question number 11. Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, IREDA, recently got which status?
Answer is Navratna. The Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, IREDA, a public sector enterprise, has been granted the coveted Navratna status by the government, according to a recent filing with the stock exchanges. This prestigious designation takes the total number of Navratna PSEs, public sector enterprises, in India to 17.
Question number 12. Who is the new brand ambassador of Macho Sporto Company?
Answer is Siddharth Malhotra. Macho Sporto, an innerwear brand from the house of JGH, has roped in Bollywood youth icon Siddharth Malhotra as its new brand ambassador for its popular advertising campaign Ye To Bada Towing Hai. Siddharth Malhotra is an Indian actor who works in Hindi films. He took on roles in television before assisting director Karan Johar on the 2010 film My Name is Khan. He had his first lead role in Johar's teen film Student of the Year, 2012.
Question number 13. Which country will host the 46th Antarctic Treaty Consultative Meeting?
Answer is India. India will host the 46th Antarctic Treaty Consultative Meeting, ATCM 46, and the 26th meeting of the Committee for Environmental Protection, CEP 26, from May 20th to 30th, 2024, in Kochi, Kerala. The National Centre for Polar and Ocean Research, Union Ministry of Earth Science, will host the meeting. Over 350 delegates from more than 60 countries are expected to attend the 46th ATCM and 26th CEP meetings. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.